We were just goofing around. We were making mirror jokes.
Can you see me now?
Oh, hi. I can see myself in your cockflexion.
There you go. And just think, I'm even using a black caulk rubber.
Oh, my God. All right, so into seriousness for once.
God,
die.
I'm still sick.
Yeah, you're sick. You're sick.
Well, yeah.
So, John asked about his other mirror for supposedly the passenger side.
Yep, at the passenger side.
Well,
I
it
think.
has. Oh no, that's a driver's side.
Or is it
mirror.
universal?
No, that's got
No,
the
that's
for driver's side.
Yeah, that's a driver's side mirror.
Yeah. So, all right.
Well, this is the mirror that was in the trunk.
Yes.
So
It has a gasket. It's questionable, but it has a gasket. And
somebody cut it, made their own because they lost the factory.
Yep.
And
then yeah.
The way it's supposed to be is inside here. There's a bracket that kind of bolts in, and this
it locks onto
it with an Allen.
And
the
that
bracket,
hole aligns it.
exactly. And guess what?
We ain't got no bracket.
It's not there. And as you can tell, trunk's open. We've double checked. So,
Show me around the trunk, big boy.
ooh, puppy.
Okay, that's a little much.
So, even when we...
Wow, you're reaching into the depths back here.
Yeah, right.
That's for the yak. Don't undo the yak.
Well, I want to get the yak out of the way.
You want to yak off?
Well, not right now. Maybe later. Mostly before I go to sleep at night.
That makes sense. Anyway. Right, Scotty's popping off the rubber for the jack.
Wait.
Did you find something? Are you fishing?
Nope, that's the piece that won't fit on the new master. That's the chrome piece, how that fell in there. That will not fit on the new. Don't know why.
That's for the master cylinder?
It's the drip tray for underneath it.
Oh, yes. Oh, that's fun. What other mysterious junk are you going to find in here?
Trash.
I'm standing right here.
Well, you know. Ow!
Okay.
That hurt.
That's not the biggest thing that's poked you this month.
Would be the only thing that's poked me this month.
Lame.
I know.
Man, if you ever had to use this jack, you'd be fucked, huh?
Screw it.
So just go fish.
Piss me off.
Just go,
But yeah, I mean, from what I've been able to see,
Are you fishing?
rust.
Ew.
Yeah, I don't see anything in this trunk.
I mean, that would work on the passenger side, but we do not have a bracket.
Correct.
So, just letting John know we don't have a bracket.